Did you know that one of the reasons you snore is because the muscles in the base of your tongue are not strong enough? So when you sleep, especially on your back, your tongue falls in the back of your throat and you start snoring. To remedy that, you should exercise those tiny muscles in the bottom of your tongue every night before bedtime to make them strong. To do that, close your mouth and rotate your tongue on one direction for 10 times and then rotate it on the opposite direction 10 times. Repeat that 3 times every night before bedtime, and then you can go nighty-night without snoring.